What's up, Frank? So I think everything works good except for this one function that I've found so far. Basically, I went in and if you click on, any of these and I added in, whatever, Adams poop 52.6, it updates the total volume average and averages. I can go back to the list, but then when I try, and it does update it over here after I click update sheets. The only thing it does is it shows me that the reference is not valid when I want to click on that link again. I did the same thing over here for Acron. Reference isn't valid, but any of the other ones that I've not messed with, I can still go to. So here, I'll just show you Adelphi. Let's do, um, let's see, spray, tone, installation, audio. That works. Okay, and then we'll do 90, tab 2, tab 5, and they definitely pop up over here, right? So let's go back to the list, and then I'll go to Adelphi, and oh, this one allowed me to do it. Well, actually, I guess let me update the sheets first, see if that works. So update, it's going to take a sec. So if I click on this, now it gives me this reference isn't valid thing, but I can still click down here and go to it, right? I just can't get to it through this link as anymore, along with these other ones. So basically, whenever I adjust something inside there, it just seems to deteriorate this hyperlink. All right, thanks, man.